Hold up, hold up, hold up. We got Lennar Young on the way. Hey, what is up, guys? How you guys doing? We're back with another reaction video. This is Lennar Young. When you get caught on the door. Now, I know how this is. When I was a lot younger, when you had the baggy daddies, you would just, your shit would just get caught. Or when you have a jacket like I do, your ass get caught almost all the time. Because the way my setup is, my thing is like right here, and it sits in an area where as I'm walking out the door, I can get caught, my jacket can get caught on it, and it's annoying as hell. So I understand where he might be going with this, but it's Lennar Young, we never know. So this is when you get caught on the doorknob. My name is Lennar Young. The link for the channel as well as videos will be linked in the description below. Make sure you go subscribe to Lennar Young. We're just gonna go get right into it. If you guys like this, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell. It helps you get notified of when I drop my next video. Let's go. Got my drink with me too.
The doorknob caught your pocket, huh? You've been caught by me many times before. I'm just now making my presence known.
Dirty ass door. Real shit.
I'm very, very hungry. The grease and food particles that you leave on my doorknob are very tasty. But I'm in a mood to eat you now. A human. Oh my God, let me go! Let me go, man, let me go! Let me go! Let me go, please let me go! Please! Please! Struggling is useless. The more you struggle, the tighter my grip gets. Bro, let me go, please, man, please! I can make you a steak, well done, medium rare, bloody, anything, man, anything you want, man. I'll make you a steak or something, please. Please, man. Why eat a little piece of meat like that when I have you right in front of me? No, no, please, please, no, please, please, no, please get off me,
Videos are getting weird, Lennar.
Yo! Yo! Yo, you good? Yo!
Don't get yourself caught, dog.
I just heard you up here, man.
It took you a minute.
You're not
Oh, he's gonna get caught walking out.
Yo! What the hell? See, your friend here just popped in the wrong place at the wrong time. And I was just hungry. Very hungry. I couldn't help myself. Bro, he swallowed me. I'm in the door. Help me, please. He swallowed me whole. He swallowed me whole. I'm in the door. Help me, please, bro. Please. In fact, I'm still hungry. And I want to eat
jump
you
out
now.
the damn window. I'm gone.
There's
man.
nowhere to run either. We're about 10 stories
10
up.
stories?
So there's
Bullshit.
no escape through the window.
Is that like an apartment? What is
The
it?
only way to get out is through me.
What the hell are you 10 stories up?
And you
What?
can't-
What kind? Is this an apartment? The hell?
And do that. Because
Because
I'm
it
just
doesn't
gonna
seem
eat.
like one. Seems like a house. A house in the hood, for
Where
real.
you going? There's no escape.
Yeah, the chainsaw.
What you doing?
Real shit. Gonna cut your ass down.
Wait.
Yeah,
We can make a deal.
Mhm.
It doesn't have to end like this. It doesn't have to end this way, please. Hold on, wait. Just think about this. Just think about this.
Real shit. I'm gonna post. I think I have a reaction to Dreams. I'm gonna post that real quick. I think that's one I'm forgetting. But if you guys end up liking this, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell. It helps you get notified of when I drop my next video. Man, Lennar, his videos get weird, dog. He has Dreams. He got Rick and Morty. Now you got the door eating people. Get caught on the door. You get ate, by the door. Like, what? God damn, man. This shit's getting weird, dog.